Hey everyone, today we're doing a quick review of Sculpiflex, the trending body sculpting device that claims to help tighten and turn your body at home. But does it actually work, or is it just too good to be true? Quick disclaimer, this review is based on personal research and customer opinions. Now, a lot of you ask me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Sculpiflex is featured on its official website, promotes itself as an at-home sculpting solution that uses advanced vibration or EMs or electrical muscle stimulation technology to help tone muscles and reduce the appearance of fat. No gym required. Sounds impressive, right? But here's where the real customers are saying. Some users reported receiving defective or non-working devices and facing major delays in shipping. Customer service issues are a recurring theme. Many people tried to return products within the stated 30-day policy but only got responses after that window has closed. Others were unexpectedly enrolled in subscriptions, despite thinking they made one-time purchases and had trouble canceling or getting refunds. Despite having a Trustpilot rating of 4.2 stars, the most recent reviews paint a different picture, raising concerns about product quality and how the company handles customer complaints. So, is Sculpiflex really worth it? Proceed with caution. While the concept may appeal to those looking for at-home fitness tools, recurring complaints about broken devices, poor support, and unwanted subscriptions make it feel risky. For many users, the hassle just wasn't worth the hype. Thanks for watching. If you've had any experience with Sculpiflex, good or bad, drop it in the comments to help others out. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Stay smart and shop safe.